It's St. Patrick's Day and I'm drinking tea. What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the workshop. Now, it is St. Patrick's Day. All the pubs are closed, there's no parades, we're all on lockdown, and I'm in my workshop drinking tea. So, just want to make a quick impromptu video just to wish you all well and say happy St. Patrick's Day. And I hope wherever you are in the world that you and your loved ones are doing just fine in these turbulent times. And yeah, it's quite a strange day today in Ireland. It's St. Patrick's Day and nothing is happening. And like I say, I'm drinking tea and not beer, so something's not right. So it's hard to know what to say in times like this. This is certainly unprecedented times. None of us have lived through anything like this, and we all have loved ones with underlying health conditions. We all have loved ones who are elderly and who are vulnerable to this thing. So everybody's in the same boat the world over. We're in this together, but the good thing about being in this together is that everybody is working on the problem too, and hopefully there'll be solutions soon. The economic downturn of this thing, it's going to affect us all as well. I'm a self-employed electrician, and already the signs on the horizon are not good, but that could be the least of our worries. As for the channel, I don't know, guys. I'm on lockdown here. I'm trying to come up with project ideas. I want to do some videos to help distract everybody to, you know, just to give something to watch, maybe take our minds off this whole thing. So I'm trying to think up of a few ideas. I can't really go out and get any materials, so I'm trying to say, what have I got in the shop here that I can make a project out of? I still have some of that pieces of oak TV cabinet that I made this cabinet and this cabinet out of, so I'm trying to set myself a challenge to make router bit cabinet from what's left, and only to use what's left, and see if it can be done. So that might be an upcoming video. You might be interested in that. Just something to take our minds off what's going on. I also have a new tool belt, so I retired my DeWalt tool belt after 17 years. So I picked up the new Milwaukee electrician's tool belt, and I have to say I'm loving it so far. It is a fantastic bit of kit. Haven't had much use on it, and I don't know how much use it's going to get now in the next few weeks, but yeah, so far so good. And yeah, it's black and red here in Europe rather than the red and black in the States, and I've kind of found out the reason for that is because Hilti have the rights to red packaging in Europe, apparently. And that seems kind of crazy to me. If you can't tell the difference between Milwaukee and Hilti, there's a lot more problems than the colour red. But yeah, I actually quite like the black. I think it looks nice with the red on the inside. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. So I might do a review of this tool belt, electrician's tool belt, in the near future, guys. It's a pretty awesome bit of kit, and it's a major upgrade over my old one. And yeah, they've come a long way in 17 years. So that's going to be an upcoming video. If you're interested, let me know. Other than that, yeah, it's hard to know what projects are going to come up in the near future. Like I say, I don't know what way life is going to head now in the next few weeks or the next few months. And I think every one of you are in the same boat too. So I'll try and make some interesting content. I'll try and put some stuff up that's going to take everybody's minds off this, something we can all watch and maybe enjoy. Whatever I can build in the workshop here and to distract you, I will do that. Yeah, as regards tool reviews then, I have the Record Power WG250 whetstone grinder. I've been using that, and it works pretty well. Like, if you saw my video of the initial impressions of it, they weren't great. The build quality is not good on it, but it works pretty well, so I'm kind of getting the grips of that now, so I'll do a review of that coming up. I was about to change the bandsaw. I was about to buy a big bandsaw, but yeah, this whole thing has put that on hold. It's a kind of batten down the hatches now and not spend too much money, so I'm going to continue with my Record Power BS300E for now. I was looking at the big Record Power Sabre 450, and I was after getting a good deal on it, but I had to put that on hold, and so we see how all this thing pans out. But hopefully, maybe by the end of the summer, that might be back on the cards, because that's an awesome bit of kit, and I'd love to show you that too. So yeah, so tool reviews for the near future might be on hold, apart from that Record Power one, we'll see. But yeah, I have a couple of project ideas I think are going to be interesting, so we'll get on them. Right guys, there we go. Just a quick impromptu video to wish you all a happy St. Patrick's Day. My Rode video mic is actually on the blink now, so it keeps disconnecting. So it's taken about 1,000 takes to get through this, so it's probably going to be a bit of an incoherent video. But I just wanted to check in with everybody, wish you all the best, just to tell you we're all in this together, so we're going to get out of it together. And yeah, troubled times ahead, but we'll navigate it, we'll be good. So I'll try and get some content up over the next few days and next few weeks, just to help, if I can, take your minds off what's going on, maybe simple little projects. I'm racking my brains with things we can do. Maybe you can get down in your sheds, try something out, practice some woodworking skills, just to get your head off it, get your head in the right space. If you are on lockdown, you're looking for something to do, I'll try and provide some content so that we can all try and keep our heads in a good place. So that's it, guys. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I wish you all the best and take it easy. I'll see you on the other side. There is an old Irish proverb, and for the day that's in it and the times that in it, it's pretty apt, and it goes like this: everything will be all right in the end, and if it's not all right, then it's not the end. So try not to worry if you can.